In the fertile fields, the journey of banana stem processing begins. Only the finest banana stem core is selected for industrial processing.
Collected stems are prepared for immediate transport.
The harvested stems now move toward the processing facility. From fields to industry, the supply chain begins its transformation. At the hub, raw material is prepared for factory entry.
Move those stacks to line 4!
Only premium stems continue into industrial processing.
The raw harvest begins its journey to the tech factory. Speed and precision drive modern agricultural logistics.
Back it up! Keep it coming!
Efficiency begins at the unloading stage. Raw material enters its first transformation stage.
Purification prepares the material for precision processing.
Every drop removed improves processing accuracy. Technology ensures only uniform stems proceed. Automation maintains continuous production flow. The heart of the factory awaits transformation. The raw material now enters a fully controlled industrial transfer system. The system ensures uninterrupted industrial continuity. Advanced sensors classify every banana stem with precision. Only optimized material continues into refinement systems. Deep cleaning ensures industrial-grade purity. Controlled drying stabilizes the raw fibers. Automation elevates the flow between production levels.
Every movement is monitored for precision and hygiene.
Human expertise in final quality validation.
Uniformity is achieved through precision cutting systems. The core transformation of banana stem begins. Each fiber is guided toward structured refinement. Vibration technology enhances material consistency. Raw harvest is now ready for industrial transformation.
Automation maintains flawless production rhythm.
Buffer systems ensure continuous industrial flow. Material now advances toward advanced refinement systems. The core transformation stage begins inside the main facility.
The journey now enters the heart of transformation technology.
The raw harvest enters the controlled factory ecosystem. Aerial transport systems connect every stage seamlessly. Human precision supports industrial automation. All streams merge into a unified processing system.
Every movement is monitored in real time.
Safety systems ensure uninterrupted industrial reliability. Internal logistics maintain continuous material movement. Environmental protection ensures material stability. The journey moves from open world into controlled transformation. The factory stands as a living system of continuous transformation. The raw banana stem begins its deep industrial purification. Powerful jets strip away every trace of field residue. Controlled tumbling ensures uniform cleaning across every fiber. Precision drainage prepares material for stabilization.
Industrial airflow ensures rapid moisture removal.
Controlled heat stabilizes fiber integrity. Human precision ensures only perfect material continues. Technology defines precision selection at microscopic level. Nothing is wasted in a modern industrial ecosystem.